Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I'm part of Informatica Global Customer Support team. In this presentation, we'll be going through how to connect to a HDFS externally from Informatica Server Mission. Moving on, today's agenda is steps to perform to connect to HDFS externally, demo, summary. Moving on, like these are the steps needs to be performed to connect to HDFS externally. First, we need to find the copy of Infosys site XML from DSTM. Like if you are running a mapping and it is failing, in the mapping log, you can find the Infosys site XML location that you can copy it to a directory name called external test or any other directory. Then we need to rename the Infosys site XML as core site XML, and then we need to create a script file named hdfs.sh, and inside that you need to place the below two lines like export class path to the info home services shared header, the distribution which you are using like cdh emr, and the version and the lib, and then you need to add the below line like you need to replace the distribution. And next, if you are using from 10.3 onwards, like the distribution packages will not come by default. You need to install them using either integration package manager or the time of Informatica upgrade. You will get option to install. I will add the docs link on how to uh, use the distribution packages from 10.3 onwards. And if you are connecting to a Kerberos enabled cluster, like you need to make sure like you generate the ticket, and you can use the below commands like to list the files and to place a file. Let me go to the demo part. Let me quickly log into my server mission. As you can see, I'm in my server mission and I have already uh, placed the Infosys site XML and renamed it as core site.xml, and I have created a script file name hdfs.sh. Let me show the content of it. Like it has the class path pointing to the current directory, as well as the cds72 is the distribution which I am connecting, so I have given that one. Now we can run the command, and this is a Kerberos enable cluster. Like if I do klist, I have generated the ticket already. Let me run the command to list the file. This is one folder on HDFS where I have placed the core site.xml inside it. It is trying to connect. As you can see, like we have core site.xml. Now we will place a file inside it. Like can use a put command, and I will place this HDFS file to the same location. Yeah, as you can see, like command has executed successfully. If I list the files again, now we'll see the two files. We can use the same command to remove as well, get as well, like all HDFS operations we can perform. Like if you have not generated the ticket, for example, if I do destroy, and if you are connecting to a Kerberos cluster, then if you try to list, it will fail with client cannot authenticate with the via token or Kerberos. So you need to generate the ticket before running the script. Moving back. And you can go through this KB article for more detailed steps, and you can go through this docs link regarding the distribution package manager. We would like to hear from you on our social media handlers. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.